So if you're interested, we're going into Stanley Park. It's a famous park in these areas. It's beautiful, but look through here. See how sparse it is now? Like you can see how it looks like almost like a selective logging site. The timber's massive. There's old growth timber. Well, it was 97, I think. Was it 1997 when the windstorm? Remember?
Yeah.
The rain and the wind that it took down Stanley Park.
Yeah.
2007? 2007. Yes. Yeah. So as you can see, friends, it's beautiful. It really is. I mean, it's a park that was preserved many moons ago, and it just is a gorgeous forest. But what happened, as you can still see the aftermath of the storm. And what it was, friends, is people think that there's a little bit of a misconception with people thinking that it's just the wind. Like, look at that old house right there. Like, they're big. That it's just the wind. Well, unfortunately, we had, look at that cedar. On that particular occasion, we had 4 days of torrential downpour. Look at that cedar right there. It's massive. It's a good 5-footer right there. They're all through here. So check it out, Windstorm Stanley Park, if you're interested. It's actually interesting.
5 years before, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So, but it unfortunately devastated the forest. It devastated it. It was actually a phenomenon. Actually, whatever a big word to explain that type of thing is, catastrophic. It was sad.
Yeah, like 900 trees fell in one night.
Yeah, 900 trees or something fell in one night. It was terrible. It was awful. And anyhow, but actually,
this one closed too.
Yeah, it was closed. Yeah, the Sol Road was closed. Everything was closed. What they did, actually, Pascal, who has a channel now, you guys know Pascal. He made those plaques for me for my axes to hang on. They were from wood from this event, which is cool. So, but I remember after, like, the cleanup, you know, I don't like using the word should've, but truly, look at that one. You know, what a neat tree. They should have put the loggers on it. You know, they should have done a heli show and done it, you know. I just remember there was like city workers chopping trees, and I forget what actually happened in the end, but it was a bit of a gong show. Anyhow, I was so wanting to come over and help, you know what I mean? But we weren't allowed. Check it out if you're interested. So here's the Lions Gate. This is the famous Lions Gate Bridge, and it's in Vancouver, and it's beautiful. These two big lions here. First Narrows?
Yeah, First Narrows.
When you come in, it's beautiful. Vancouver's a beautiful city. It really is. I mean, I'm a country boy, but if you read in there's still beautiful wooded areas here. There's just, you know, we're surrounded in mountains, and it really is a beautiful city. I'm not good with traffic and lots of people. It is a gorgeous city. So yeah, I'm just basically, can you believe that the video you're watching right now it could end any minute. It could just stop because I only brought one SD card on this. It was half of a 32 gig, so you know what I mean? So I haven't took lots of little ones. I think the longest video was about a 7 or 8 minute video, so I'm gonna get it all into one for you. But So if you're interested at all, maybe my friends in the UK, Australia, my friends in Tasmania, anywheres, check that out on Google or the internet. Stanley Park windstorm. It was amazing, amazing. The wood loss. Anyways, friends, we're nearing the ferry. Our good friend here is taking us to the ferry. He's in the taxi, so we'll get you on the ferry boat. See you in a bit. Be kind.